got my headphones. Let's go. Oh, I have boots also? What?
Yeah, you have boots.
Awesome.
Wait, where's the finish? Oh, okay.
You get honorary hay at the end. Rini, don't put that there.
Wait, this is just an instant win, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's... I mean, it's not impossible like you'd think it'd be.
Oh, that's
Chimpey.
quicksand.
Yes!
Oh, I can't see
Oh,
that.
Oh, at least we got 3 points. Thank you, Chimpey, for doing that.
You're welcome. Aw.
Oh my god.
You saw what I did, right?
Nope.
We're all dead. We're all dead. You're
Ah,
welcome.
fuck!
AJ, you made that literally completely.
I didn't even see that. Oh, God.
Yeah, what'd you say?
What?
You jump on the nose when it's down. And thank you for the trap point, you idiots.
Calm down.
Not you, Willie.
He gets so salty when he loses. Yeah, when
That's not
Ooh.
salty.
So a winner,
Yeah,
too.
now it's impossible. Get fucked.
Oh my god.
Now it's impossible.
No, it was impossible when I put the glue down. Who the hell added stairs? You're a little bitch.
Wait, how'd you get over there?
Oh my god. A modern day Leonardo. Oh my god.
You guys are idiots. Oh my god, you guys just fucking jumped on it.
Jump
Oh, you
on
guys
it.
got
Jump
rid of
on
my
it.
ball?
Yeah, I
Your
did.
ball's still there.
Don't. Come on. You could have backchipped me.
How can I do this?
Oh wait, no. Go back to the
Don't put
pyramid.
that there.
Go back to the
Put it
pyramid.
in the yeah, we haven't been
Your
doing
bottom layer. Oh, not like that. Oh my god.
No,
You didn't tell me.
Cause you're able to.
you put it facing the wrong direction.
No, you're not.
Oh wait, no, I didn't. Awesome. Did you do that yet? Okay, what the fuck? How'd you do that?
I'm pro.
No, you're not.
Tanner. Tanner, welcome to the parents think I'm gay club. I'm in that too.
Cause you are though.
I am actually.
Yeah. Oh, it's mini golf. That's cool.
Those parents phone me, they can text them. No.
Bullshit.
What?
You got hit. There we go. Oh.
No, I matrixed the first one, and then the second one hit me.
First trap. This.
Wait, do you use Chimpey, do you use WASD?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I can't use it the other way. My mouse is stupid.
Wait, what's the other way?
Mouse?
Wait, what the, you can play with the mouse? What?
Oh my god, this kid's an idiot.
What are you talking about? You can't play with WASD.
Really, you're stupid.
Oh! That's so perfectly placed.
Get wrecked, mate.
Wait, are you not supposed to? Wait, I'm confused.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know either. He means that you could do this part with the mouse.
Yeah.
No, you can do that part with WASD.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I've never learned that.
See? WASD.
What are you talking about?
Use WASD right now.
Oh.
God damn it. You should put that inside the pyramid, the coin. Like, or not.
Wow. Why would I put that in the pyramid? That makes no sense.
Like right here to my right, where you can barely do it. Ah!
I stuck. Hold backspace to give up.
There you go.
Ah! Fuck this. Fuck.
You can't leave.
Ah!
Jay's just watching. Hey, you figured it out.
Ah! So did we all win this one? Yeah. Is that a dinosaur to the right?
Yes.
Yeah.
he's eating it.
Oh, so fancy. The spikes. Come on, yeah.
Really?
Fuck. What ice on his face?
Bukaki?
I perfectly placed it. Oh, wrong spot.
Oh! Ah!
This is a very challenging thing right now. Hey.
Oh, get fucked. Bullshit, he got hit by that.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. You were standing on the spike on my screen.
Yeah.
The spike.
Yeah, there is. You're
Literally
one
the
place.
spike that you put
Oh,
down.
that spike? Oh, I thought you meant something.
Oh,
else.
that spike?
I thought you meant something else, you faggot.
Okay. How can we make that hard? It's too easy.
No, it's fine. It's actually fine. You know?
You're too easy.
I am. Thank you.
And now this is fun because you just do this.
Oh God.
It's even slower down there now.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Guys, wait, I'm coming.
Oh,
Did
no.
someone call for Squirrel Man? Wait, hold on.
Can't go back. to the same
You having issues?
You literally can't go back.
Okay, finish the thing already. You could jump up. Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, where?
Just do it. Don't think about it, just jump.
Just jump around, jump. What the fuck? Wait, did he just teleport for you?
No.
For me, he touched the door and teleported away. Okay, this getting annoying.
Hold B to give up.
AJ, do the math.
Can you just do the thing? Thank you. Oh my God.
Okay, guys. The build up. The legend. Squirrel himself.
That got me killed.
Oh my God, can you just do the map?
I'm trying to.
No, you're not.
Wow, look at how salty Chimpey gets over this stuff.
That's not salty, that's annoyed. There's a difference.
Yeah.
Same
thing.
Salty is if you're losing.
No, same thing either way. I can't get in. There we go. Ah!
Get,
Excuse me, what?
get right.
What'd you say? What'd you say? Are you
Once again,
salty?
you stepped on the spike on my screen. It's really cool.
No, it was upside down. Stupid.
Fucking douchebag stole my cord.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, leave it. It's good the way it is. Don't change it. It's good the way it is. Greedy.
it's fucking difficult. It is.
Fuck you.
Yes, perfect. It's not. It didn't change. What the fuck did you just do with them?
Don't worry about it. Just look at where you jump. Oh!
Oh, I almost got him.
I did it. There's a bounce there. Yeah, be careful.
No.
Ah!
Got him.
I am a squirrel. I have rain boots and headphones. I'm still winning, by not that much. Like a pixel.
A pixel? A pickle?
A pixel. You know what? Fuck you guys.
I hope that fucks someone up. It's gonna fuck me up. Oh! I forgot.
I'm gonna win the race.
I thought you were gonna run right into it.
Oh.
Oh.
Thanks, Chimpey. See you later.
Okay, I'm back.
Jack, not Jack. Oh, fuck you.
How the hell did we all make it out of that?
I don't know.
That was like the hardest it's been all game.
No, it's not. Remember we had a spike before?
You guys mid game?
Yeah.
About to, yeah, it's about
Ah,
to end.
fuck!
First of all, you missed that one.
I
Second of all,
did.
This is the one we're concerned about.
Oh,
right
oh,
here.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you, Chimpey, for doing that.
Is it just the 3 of you guys or?
Now
Yeah.
it's impossible.
No, it's not.
Okay, show me.
Okay. Rini, show him. See? Rini did it.
Motherfucker,
What?
it's impossible.
How'd you? Wait, how do you do the stair?
Shit, I missed the jump.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah.
Oh, I got this.
Yeah, I tried that also.
It's pretty easy once you get there.
No, it's not. Yeah, exactly.
That was close, though. It's pretty close.
I'm winning by default.
Bombs for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck. Yeah.
I wanted sticky! Why did it automatically place again?
Can I get an invite?
It's done
It's
the
about
last
to
turn.
end.
Oh.
I'll invite you though. I can't invite you right now.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't know what stair to even do it from. I just randomly did it right. Oh, wow.
Wait, what?
And this kid, he jumped over it from the barrel, dumbass. Oh my god!
I'm about to win.
You're having so much trouble with that.
Yeah.
I like how you had to stop mid-sentence and be like, I'm a to win.
I still won. Because I'm
Good
the
job.
ultimate squirrel.
Oh, dang. How about that episode of Ultimate Chicken Horse? I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I'm the best there. Come on. Come on, you gotta admit that. Well, if you did enjoy, please leave a like. And, comment down below if you want to see me play in videos, ask any questions, and I'll answer them. Have a good day.